Hey, this is Master Slash Daddy in the house, and today we are going to make cinnamon rolls, but we're not going to make them normal. We're not just going to make cinnamon rolls. We're going to mix them all together and see how big the cinnamon roll gets. So, I'll be back when it's ready, when it's put all together, because apparently it takes a while to put them all together, unless I have some help to help me. But okay, here we go, because we don't have no help here. It's gonna slide. I'll just use the tea kettle. Alright, here we go. Oh, no. Well, apparently you're going to have to see it on the ceiling. Okay, we're going to do the popping thing, if it pops. Alright, how am I going to do this? I don't know. There we go. There we go. Can you see me? Sort of, kind of? Remember when these things used to pop? Apparently, there's a story that they don't pop anymore because someone had a heart attack. So apparently someone sued them for them from popping. That's why they, any roll. We gotta set this stove up as in 350 for like 10-12 minutes. Let's open. Ow! Let's open this up. See, you have all these rolls in here. Alright, where's that big pan? Is that pan dirty still?
I don't think so.
No? That's loudness. Alright, here we go. How are we going to do this? Hey, can you videotape me doing all this?
I can charge my phone and leave my light on.
If you want. By the way, yeah, this is Master Slash Daddy again. With my glasses. You know I look hot. Don't drop my phone. You gotta record me doing the thing. I don't think you're. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay, you know why?
So we take all the cinnamon rolls. We just throw them in there for now. We just do that. Okay, then okay, how are we going to do this? Oh, we know how. We take them apart. Do that. Take them all apart. No. They don't make cinnamon rolls like they used to. You know that? We're just going to put them all together like that, apparently. I don't even think you're aiming it, but that's okay.
I'm trying.
That's okay. Oh yeah, this is going to be the best cinnamon roll ever. They don't make cinnamon rolls like they used to. You know that? They don't roll. They don't roll anymore. This is how you make a cinnamon roll. A big cinnamon roll. Okay. So, yeah. You gotta, just put it in there like that.
Is that how you do it?
That's how you do it. It's all not aiming at nothing.
I'm trying.
By the way, this is,
I know, I'm a horrible camera girl.
This is Mrs. Slash Daddy. My new girlfriend. And we're gonna make some cinnamon roll, big cinnamon roll. How much times am I going to say a cinnamon roll?
Could you say cinnamon roll
Can we
anymore?
say cinnamon roll 10,000 times in one video? Cinnamon roll, cinnamon roll, cinnamon roll, cinnamon roll, cinnamon. Alright, let's see what we got here.
Right, they're trying.
She was trying. Alright, let's see what we got here. That's what the mess. Oh, look, it looks like a heart. Let's make a cinnamon heart.
Aww.
Bam! Alright, now it says, what does it say? 400. Jesus. I thought it was only 350, but that's okay. Alright. And now 13 to 17 minutes. Yeah.
I'm gonna record you on my live too.
Alright, about that. Okay. I'll be back when I'm gonna put it in first, but it's gonna take like 20 minutes. So I can't record that because you guys know. Hope you guys enjoyed the finger in the camera though. Alright, I'll be back. Bye. I'm back. Just waiting for the beeper to go off. I'm eating a wafer. There it is. I still got like 3 minutes. But I wanted to show you guys what's up and see what's going on with this big old cinnamon roll heart thing, jabobber. Alright, let's get our muffin hand thingy. You know what it's called. our oven mitt, whatever it's called. Yeah, that's sexy. Like, oh! I like a cinnamon roll. Alright, let's check this out though. Alright. Don't drop it, Bobby. Oh! That looks pretty dang good, I guess. Maybe a couple more minutes, I don't know. It might be done. What do you guys think? You think it's done? I think it's done. Now, for the fun part. Putting the cream on it. Let's put the cream on it. Alright, we're putting the cream on it.
Why is somebody on my live?
Why is he on live?
Nobody's on my live.
Because I'm going to put the oven mitt on again. Putting the cinnamon roll out. Oh yeah? Alright, okay. Can anybody see that? Probably not. Let's see if anybody can see that. Stay. Can't see it, can you? Because it's dark. Let's move the light. See if that does it. It doesn't do shit. Let's move it over here and see that.
Yes, I just popped in a video.
Hey, video. That's my girlfriend farting. This is a big old cinnamon roll. Now we're going to take the cream and drop it.
I'm vlogging on my live.
And we're going to, alright, take a knife or something. And just, I guess, just plop it on there.
I'm vlogging for my live stream too.
Just plop it on there. Like that. Oh yeah, just make a mess. That's always the best thing. Oven's still on, so it might burn me. Alright. I hope you guys can see that. Alright, here. Creamer in the hand and everything. Alright. Hey, is that looking good? I don't know if you can see it. That's a lot of cream. It's a lot of cinnamon. Yeah!
Woohoo!
Woo! The biggest cinnamon roll ever! Not really though, probably. I'm probably not even aiming it at the cinnamon roll. I'm probably looking at the oven.
No, it's on the cinnamon roll.
It's on the cinnamon roll?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's called the cinnamon hearts roll. And what we do with this, do that.
Boyfriend's always vlogging and always baking.
And there it is. There's the biggest cinnamon roll I've ever made. Yours is all nice and light and stuff. Mine's probably dark.
Hi.
Anyway, that's Miss Slash Daddy. Go visit her if you want. Alright, I gotta stop now. Master Slash Daddy out. Subscribe. Bye.